There are many videos online about headlight polishing, but I wanted to try doing it in the simplest and cheapest way possible, just to see the results. The result is on your screen. On the right is the headlight I've already polished, and on the left is the one I'm about to polish. In my opinion, the difference is significant, and this job is definitely worth it. First, apply protective tape around the headlight to protect the metal parts of the body from potential scratches. Then, lightly wet the headlight to remove any coarse dirt. The polishing paste we're using is one of the cheapest we could find. Apply the paste all over the headlight in small dots, placing them as densely as possible. Next, attach a firm sponge to a drill and begin polishing. Make sure your movements are as even as possible across the entire headlight surface. After 10 minutes of polishing, wipe off the paste and the fine dirt created during polishing, using a sponge and some water. Finally, use a dry cloth to wipe the entire surface of the headlight. The result is more than satisfying, especially for such a cheap and quick job. Some might say the headlight will become cloudy again soon. Even if that's true, it won't happen for at least a year, and it's definitely worth repeating this once a year or every other year. It's affordable, relaxing, and it feels great to do something yourself with your own hands. And that's it. Simple, cheap, and it actually works. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DIY car tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this or if you have your own method. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.